guys, welcome back to our channel. We're back with another video. I'm heading to Carlsbad, California. Actually, I'm 5 minutes away from the house. I'm gonna be polishing between 250 to 300 square feet. Once I get there, I'll give you guys some more detail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do like the video, support the channel, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, guys, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell. Right, so this is the place here. Just finished with the 30 grit single segment that you guys can see there, and I'm gonna put the 60/80 double segment. I normally patch after my first step, but I'm trying to grind all these little areas here. You see there? I don't want to patch now and then all this will come off and it will just waste your time. So I can even the floor more, less patch to do. There's a lot of gouges here from when they removed the tile. Those are going to be filled, but there's a lot of them. I try to go as low as I can to grind the most. Just when my first step, I got 2 bags of concrete like this size here. Like I said, I was trying to remove most of these gouges from when they removed the tile. we're taking a small break right now because the material is getting dry. Probably like 30 more minutes. It should be dry. Ready to start my 50s. 100 edges, 400 densify, 800 seal and buff. So I got an energy drink just in case I get tired, so I can get moving. Guys, don't forget I'm selling floor grinders. Just check them out. Go to the website BaseGrinders.co. If you live local in Southern California or anywhere you want to come and check it out, come and check out the floor grinders that I'm selling, guys. You guys can see in all my videos the floor grinders that I'm using. They work. You can tell me they don't work, but they do work. Especially you that wants to start your own business or wants to get started doing your own projects. Whatever you want to use it, guys. Buying a floor grinder is pretty much like an investment. It's gonna save you time on their projects and money. All right, so let's go and check the material, the patch. It's already dry. It's only this big one here. It needs to be a little more time. It's already hard, but it needs to be dry a little more. Everything else is good to go. Super solid. How you doing? How are you looking? Good, good. Yeah. Just a lot of holes from the digging, from the removing the flooring. Yeah.
That's it. Pull it up.
Huh?
The tile. Didn't say
Yeah.
pull it up.
Alright guys, just finished putting the densifier. You guys can see here. I'm just gonna let it dry, probably 10 minutes. Change my diamonds and hit it with the 400. All the edges are done up to a 200. That's what you had on the other side?
Again?
This is what you had over there? This
Yeah.
same glass?
No, it was, I think we just did 100.
Oh,
Either
there?
1 or 4.
Oh, okay.
My wife doesn't think she likes the high gloss, but
Oh.
since we're moving out, I wanted to see what it looks like.
Oh, are you guys selling the house?
We're renting.
Renting? Oh, okay.
Yeah, but that floor was, like I said, was buckling.
Oh,
I
okay.
had to tear it out and do something. So I decided to call you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so.
Just gonna take a little video. I will take the plastic out right now.
Okay.
Okay.